So I thought you might like to look out your ukulele. You might like to look out your ukulele from the beginning book, and remember in the back is this really helpful chart which has got all the chords that you can have a practice at home when you've got time, maybe with a biscuit, maybe with a nice glass of milk or some squash or a cup of tea. Look that book up. Maybe you've got a UKE-CAN rock and roll book. You can find that. And not to forget all those other songs that we've been learning, like Larger Than Life and Viva La Vida and Uptown Funk and Shotgun by George Ezra. Ooh. Lots of different songs. So if you find your music folder, you can get those song sheets ready. When I start next week and we do some proper longer sessions, you'll have everything you need. I thought it would be quite fun if some sessions as well we had a bit of a dress-up theme, maybe pyjamas, me in pyjamas, ooh. Maybe jeans, maybe sunglasses. Look, I've got mine ready up there with Betty. Maybe flowers. Yeah, I've got my flowers today, but you know, you might have flowers. Does anyone can wear flowers? It doesn't have to be girls or boys. Anyone can wear flowers. Maybe we could wear superhero clothes. Maybe we could wear football kit. I don't know, though. You could have requests. And then you can have photographs taken of you if you want, if your parents want, and you can put them up so that we can share them on the UKE-CAN community on Facebook. These videos are only really going out to people that I teach and Mrs Goodfellow teach. So I don't think that many people are going to be looking at our videos or at our page. So I think you should be quite safe to have a photo of yourself up there. But do check with mum and dad and the peoples that love you. So today we're just going to check that your ukulele, you know where it is. That you've got a ukulele with stickers on. All the children that I teach, we use stickers to start with. If you haven't got stickers, I'm just going to hold that up there like that so you can see how the stickers work. And then you might want to put some stickers on yourself at home. If you're not a Clan UKE-CAN person, that's okay. You can come and join the fun anyway. Your ukulele will need to be in tune. Now, lots of you older ones, your ukulele stay in tune well, but just in case, I'm going to play the notes now, and that way if you can hear if your ukulele is in tune, and if it's not, then you can stop the video, retune it, get someone to help you, and then you'll be ready to go, especially on like Monday or something. So remember that the string, when you've got your ukulele held the right way and the orange sticker is at the bottom here, on the bottom, that the string at the top next to your chin, okay, is G. So G is next to me, G is next to me, and then you go over the top to the far side and we've got A is far away. A is far away. So if you've got G there and A there, we can play the strings in order. G, C, E, A. G, C, E, A. Here we go. G, C, E, A. Now if your strings don't sound like that, stop the video now. Find someone who can help you, or if you're a bit older, maybe you yourself can tune the keys. Check with your family first if you don't know for sure. So I'm assuming that you did that and that your ukulele is now beautifully in tune. So I thought it'd be quite nice to have a quick sing-song together, and we'll have a go at rocking all over the world, because all over the world people are pulling together, and I think this is a nice song for all of us to have a go at. And all of you children that are 4.5 and 5, you can play this, and obviously all you older children can. You can throw in your harmonies if you want to. We're going to need C, we're going to need yellow F, and we're going to need 2 fingers G7. Now I'm just going to quickly show parents how this works, or remind you how this works. Here are the cards to help you. So, here are your strings. This is your A is far away string, and this is the G is next to me, and you can see that on the A is far away, if you press down on the 3rd fret here, you'll have an orange sticker on your ukulele. You'll get the chord of C, which sounds like this. Beautiful, lovely. Then if you go to the string that is next to the A string on here, which is the E string, here, if you press on the number 1 fret where there is a yellow sticker, big clue, you'll get yellow F. Obviously, all my expert players will know they can play yellow F with 2 fingers as well, but all the infants and all the younger ones, they tend to use 1 finger, yellow F, which sounds like this. Here we go. Whoop. Nice and frisky. And last of all, we've got G7. Now G7 is using 2 fingers, and for the super clever children they use 3 fingers. But we use number 1 finger where we did for yellow F, so that's a yellow F really. Then we put this finger here in between the pink C7 and the orange C sticker. So where there is no sticker on your A string, that's where you put that 2nd finger. And it sounds like this. G7 sounds like this. There we are. And that is cheating G7. Obviously some children might want to play proper G7 and they know how to do that. They've got it in the back of their books as well. So let's have a quick practice at doing these chords. Okay? Ready? Here we go. And C, 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 F, 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 C, C. Here it comes, G7, C. Let's try it one more time. And C, 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 F, 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 C, C, G7, and C, 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 and stop. So there's a little bit of practice, and that's the sort of thing you're going to need to be able to do. Now, if you found that really, really hard, you can just, it's amazing, you can just make me shut up, you can press the button, shut me up, wind it back, and have a little practice. And then when you're really good at those chords and the changeovers, you can do the song with us. Okay, so here we go. We're going to do the song now. If you already know this song, Rocking All Over the World, you can sing nice and loud. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, here we are, and here we are, and here we go. All aboard, and we're hitting the road. Here we go. Oh, rocking all over the world. Giddy up, get away. Giddy up, get away. We're going crazy, and we're going today. Here we go. Oh, rocking all over the world. This is the I like it bit. You ready? And I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it. I la 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 like it, la 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 like. Here we go. Oh, rocking all over the world. Cheeky verse, here it comes. I'm gonna tell your mama what you're gonna do. So come on out with your dancing shoes. Here we go. Oh, rocking all over the world. Put your ukuleles above your head. And I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it. I la 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 like it, I la 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 like. Here we go. Whoa, rocking all over the world. Really loud last verse. Here we go. And I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it. I la 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 like it, I la 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 like. Here we go. Whoa, walking all over the world. Big finish, and there you go. Well done. That was amazing. Hopefully hopefully now we've dusted off our ukuleles, we've found our books, or at least we know what we're going to need next week. We know what's in store. And I'm really excited to see you, and maybe have some photos of you, maybe have some films of you playing some of your songs. You can do some performances for your families at home. I'm sure they need some entertainment at the moment. And it would be really nice if we had some little competitions and things like that, and maybe more than one winner, which would be lovely. And I could send some things out in the post, and give special mentions to people, make some certificates for people. It would be lovely to have a really strong Clan UKE-CAN community online, cheering each other on. It's lovely to see you again. Look after yourselves, wash those hands, okay? Keep 2 meters apart from people, but don't forget your smile, and don't forget to sing, okay? Love you loads, good to see you, bye!